first toll gate is 19 and now
Hey,
it's
it's very low here.
Yeah, look. Super duper low. Low,
It's like you're in the garage.
Kaya nga, grabe. Super low naman siya, oh. Halos maano mo na yung bubong, oh.
See,
Look, yun nasa harapan. You see? Grabe, ang baba.
if the ceiling collapses, you have no time to react.
Talagang ano na lang siya, oh. Look at the ceiling here. In this tunnel. Grabe. Tunnel with a low ceiling. This is the first time I've been to a tunnel with a low ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh. Sjunge. Look at this tunnel.
That's why the trucks cannot go here.
Yeah.
For cars.
Look at that. Did you see the one in front of us? You see kung gaano siya ka-low. Yung car, yung kotse. Ang baba. Oh, it's beside us. As you see, oh. Ganun kababa yung ceiling. You see? Ceiling na agad. Oh, baba ng ceiling, no? Wow. That is quite a long tunnel, huh? It's quite a long tunnel, actually. We need to pay 8 euro for this tunnel.
11.
Oh, 11. Oh, wow. 11 euro kailangan bayad mo sa tunnel na to just to pass on this tunnel. Tunnel na mababang tunnel. So it's just here by Versailles already. Outside Paris na to. Tamo. Baba ng ceiling. Haba rin ng tunnel na to, ah. Tunnel na mahaba. Wait lang. Ayan, ah. Baba niya, oh. Ito nyo. Baba lang. Ceiling na agad. Ayan yung ceiling na agad, oh. Tapos tabi namin, oh. Tinan mo. Ceiling. Mahaba yung tunnel, ah. 70 kilometers per hour. Oh, malhaba pa. It's 8 kilometers. This, 8,000 meters. So that's 8 kilometers, right?
Oh, still 8 kilometers to go.
It's still 8 kilometers to go. Nako, huwag nyo lang panoorin.
That's why you pay 11 euro.
Oo, kaya pala mahal ang bayad namin. That's why we need to pay 11 euro for this tunnel. The low tunnel.
Maybe there's another floor on top because it's really goes. Should be a big. Maybe the on top is.
O, tinan mo yung bus. Yung parang mataas siya. Then almost magano na siya sa ceiling. Tingnan mo. Parang one ruler nasa ceiling na yung roof niya. Yung bus na yun.
Somebody's on top of that car. It has to be a small boy.
So we go straight here. Ayan, nauli. Grabe. I can make video again. It's almost 1 kilometer. This tunnel is like, how many kilometers? Maybe 10?
Yep.
10 kilometers. And haya, mababa siya. Mababa yung tunnel. Tunnel na mababa na may 10 kilometers. Here in outside France, Paris. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Lalabas na. We're going out in 1 kilometer. Sa taas ata traffic. Parang nakikita ko. So, kita nyo kung gaano talaga siya kababa. Sobrang baba niya. Pero at least this tunnel, there's a light. Not like the other tunnel in Paris, right? So there's no light. Yan, lalabas na tayo. We're going out to A86. Credo. Versailles is in the other side. If you go to the right, this is Versailles. And this one is A86.